Hey guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R. Well, today I have an idea that I just literally came up with, and we're going to see if it's going to turn out. So if you would like to see what I came up with to do with this bottle, I don't even know if it's going to work, but if it does, it's a game changer, baby. So let's get to it. So what you're going to do is just take your juice bottle and you're going to cut the top of the juice bottle off. I use the knife. I'm just straightening up the edges. That's good enough. So now all I am going to do is take some rocks that I had in my garden, or you can just pick up some rocks from the Dollar Tree and just start gluing them onto your juice bottle. This is my light from the garden, and I am going to put that in there, making sure that this part of the light is exposed. So I'm just going to continue to glue rocks around this, and we'll see how it turns out. So basically you get the gist of this. Now this is the way it's going to look, and the only thing I'm going to do now is take my garden light. I am going to stick it in the top of here, and once I put it down here, you can see the light trying to come on. It just tried to come on when I put it in the dark. So I should be able to cover this. And if you like, you can glue this down, or you can continue to put rocks on here if you like. Alright guys, all of the rocks is on. Your light is on the inside. I am going to sit it outside so it can get some daylight, and I will show you how it shines through at night. A couple of things, guys. When you're making this light, as you're putting the rocks on, before you get around the top, put your light in, because by this being plastic and you're using hot glue, that's going to make your little juice bottle shrink. So put your light in first and then start gluing your rocks on. And other than that, if you want more light to show through this, then space your rocks out. Space them out. I like to put a lot of rocks on mine, but other than that, guys, this is a beautiful display in your yard, on your patio table. It's just beautiful. Alright, this is my set I have sitting on my table on my patio, so at night it will light up, and I'll show you what it looked like at night. And you see how my set didn't even have to sit in the sun, and look how it's lighting up. It looks absolutely beautiful out here. Guys, this is how my floor stand turned out. I have it sitting out here on my patio, and it goes great with the rocks that I have sitting out here already, and the other things that I have made with the rocks in my yard. And what I did was just stick a tree on the inside of the vase that I also made, so go check out that video. And here are some of the other things that I made with rocks on my patio, either free or for $1. This set was free. I already had the solar lights in my yard, and I had the juice bottles and the rocks already. And this is a table fire pit that I made for $4. And I have had it for like 2 years now. The pan came from the dollar store, the rocks came from my yard, and the 3 little candlelight lights right here. These are the rocks that I use in my yard to make all of my things that I have. Guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. Don't forget to look forward to other inexpensive ways to make your patio or your home look nice, either free or in an inexpensive way. So, stay safe, love one another, be blessed, and I'll talk to you later, guys. Mwah.